In Vietnam, not every bowl of pho is the same. Each one is crafted with its own recipe, designed for specific flavors, ingredients, and experiences. In the wear protection industry, it works the same way. Different materials, different operating conditions, different wear factors, from abrasion and erosion to corrosion, heat, and impact. Yet many companies still rely on a single solution for every problem. At BCC, we think differently. We engineer a unique recipe for every specific wear condition. With POP technology, we design optimized alloy powder compositions tailored to match real operating environments. Because D-plate is not just another wear plate, it is a performance-engineered solution, customized for your operation. The right recipe, the right performance. D-plate, engineered for wear resistance.